Yeah, we are Icotek India Pvt Ltd. We are located in Bangalore, our headquarters in Bangalore, and we are the subsidiary of the Icotek GmbH. Our all products are imported from Germany. We have the split version of cable glands and cable frames, and we are the innovative cable entry solution provider. We have the EMC solutions. This EMC solution with the like a special value edition. You can see here the strain relief comes with the EMC. We have the EMC for the CCL clamp and DIN LTS 35 and bus power, and this cable entry frame. This is plug and play. Some frames we have the without you no need to do screw tightening with Allen key. So those are the fast assembly, and our cable entry solutions are have IP54, IP66 and IP68, and even we have the drainer device which is achieving IP69K, and we have this solution for the railway application and automotive and robotics and wind, and even we have the product with marine application also which can achieve IP68, and we have the products with fire penetration seals which can be hold the fire up to EI 30 and EI 45 minutes, and we have MSMC for the cable routings, and we have the EMC cable gland, so which is this is a polyamide gland with highly conductive coating material, and we have the press fit version of the KL DP and KLDP round, and the we have the split cable gland of the Pvt 16. In the sense we have the metric series of the all cable glands from Pvt M16 to M63, and our all cable entry frames are the industrial cutouts like 10 pin size cutout and 16 pin, 32 and 48 pin cutout we have. So in our cable entry solution, you can pass maximum 120 cables in single frame. Those are cable frames are with connectors, and without connector you can pass maximum 72 cables in the single frame, and we will do the customized solution as per the customer requirement. So these are all our product portfolio. Please visit us, stall number C53. We are available today and tomorrow. Have a nice evening.